Peace. So here we are in Vaipur today. This is the first waterfall of this year because rains were really heavy and wow. We decided to come for the very first time. So we are going to a waterfall which is called Chidambaram waterfall. Why name Chidambaram? It's a Chidambaram Panduran temple and hence the name of the waterfall is from the name of the temple that we have here. So come on, welcome to the first vlog of waterfall. And we humans need to learn from forests. It's so inclusive. There is place for everything. Very important that we are disciplined. ज़्यादा गड़बड़ और आवाज़ करने की बिल्कुल ज़रूरत नहीं होती है because we are in the jungle and let's always keep the peace of the jungle and see the beauty of it. And this spider reminds me of King Bruce's spider story, all the way from Scotland. We have seen a lot of houses. One is anthill and who stays there. One spider and then a wild squirrel. That's a jumping squirrel. Sorry, flying squirrel. And now this. So let's see who else do we meet on the way or whom do we encounter. Yeah, so when we walk through jungles, it's important that you check how you walk because you might be stepping on somebody else's house. So be careful, थोड़ा सा खतरा है, so संभल के जाना होता है. I always feel life is like a roller coaster ride. Only those succeed who take it as an adventure. And that's the same. There's always a first time. Okay, so we got the first guest who is trying to bite. Hello. So there we go. We are just removing it with a stick, not leaving the shoe. Missed. I have really not seen so many ants. Looks as if they are going for some kind of a war. Careful. I am like zapped with the beauty of the jungle. One thing I learned of life lesson is you are so interdependent. You can see like one tree is taking care of another 5 creepers, that grow on them. And if we see on top, you will, really get mesmerized. Seriously, I was not expecting this route to be so very clean. And we reached within 10 minutes of time. This is Chidambaram waterfall and this is a tree house kind of a stuff. It's a house built. And you can really have a good view from here. So let's go down and indulge in, what is. Hi! So here are my friends Manmesh, Akshay and Rohit. And we could manage to climb this peak point. It really looks very beautiful from here. Can you see the goosebumps? Yeah? Can you? The reason is this. See this. These are a type of mushroom that grows on wood. After finishing from Chidambaram waterfall, Rohit took us to one more waterfall, which was Khadki waterfall. This is a lich that has bitten Abhay. ओह माय गॉड, खून भरी टांग हो गई. And in my experiences, I've been to so many waterfalls like Goravlim waterfall, Satre waterfall, that Shivling waterfall, so many. And I thought this is one of the most easiest. Just 10 to 15 minutes of walking time from where we have parked the car. But trust me, no waterfall is risk free. हर एक waterfall की अपनी risk होती है अलग से, and especially when it rains heavily, you have to put your guard on. Most of the waterfalls, they have very slippery rocks because there's a lot of moss that keeps on gathering on these rocks. So best way to save a fall is being aware. So while we were coming back, we saw a lot many wild guests, but this was a farewell from green wine snake. We call it Haryadi in Goa. That's all from this vlog. It was just experience that I wanted to share. Let's catch up on another video. So by the time you subscribe to my channel, so let's spread the joy of traveling.